Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So for this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the error code 279 on Roblox. Should be this error code right here. So basically, it's going to be a code that says, you failed to connect to the game, ID number which is going to be your end, connection time failed. So let's fix that one. So this is going to be Roblox, right? The game itself. Now to fix that problem, though, you need to go to this website. So this is going to be the status window. In here, the first thing you'll notice is going to be color yellow or around the orange color. The correct color for this one should be green. And then it says here that all system optimized, meaning there's no problem. And right now, there should be a problem since this is colored yellow. So that's going to be one thing you should take note of. So the next step is going to be going to settings. Once you click on settings right there, looking for troubleshoot. So if you can find it on your settings, remove that one right there and type in troubleshoot settings. In here, click on additional troubleshooters, looking for network and settings or internet connections. Click on that one, run troubleshooter, and make sure everything is good to go. So what's next? The last and only thing I can give you right now is reset your Wi-Fi. Make sure your Ethernet cable is properly connected, because the most problem here is basically internet connection. And basically that's it.